going on, but still get a film so you can see. Did you seen how it was cutting up already?
Yeah, exactly.
All right, you seen me pump the gas. Now look. I pumped the gas, then put my foot on the brake, and then it come on. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Playboy 6.1, and today we're back with another video. Yeah, today we're in something different. Y'all can tell by the seats, man. You know what I'm saying? Today we just riding around. We had to go pick up some parts for the 300 today, man. We headed to the dealership currently. We need a crank sensor for the 300. 300's been cranking a little iffy lately or whatever. It's been doing some weird. But with these build outs and stuff like that, bro, you always have different stuff going on. But there's definitely a lot of traffic out here this morning. So like I said, yeah, we just riding around that 300, man, giving y'all a little view. You know what I'm saying? Nothing major done to it yet, just some, you know what I'm saying, some basic good. But more is coming. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and run it up, bro, if y'all want to see more come to the 300. But yeah, it's like I said, there's a lot of traffic, so I'll get back with you guys when I get to the dealership. What's up, YouTube? We just made it to the dealership. As you see, we out here, man. Big 300 in the background. Let y'all see it, bro. Big 300 in the background. Big 300. Things sound good too. But yeah, like I said, we at the dealership. We finna grab this part for the 300 real quick. Maybe we'll spin around, check out some stuff. But really, I need to get to work. But whatever. You know, I gotta do this content, get this content for y'all guys. I don't need to be tripping, you know what I'm saying? That's what the point of being an entrepreneur is. When you own your own businesses, you can make your own schedules. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I see the 300 back there looking good. Look at her. She's sitting back there looking good. But yeah, we're going right over there to the parts department. But check this out. Little Hellcat shooting right here. The red stripes is so still. It's somebody's car though. It's for sure somebody's shit. Little gray joint. Gray joint, nice. Slim body. Y'all know I'm originator. I love the slim body joint. Love riding slim body. Wide body hard too. I definitely would get a wide body kit. I definitely would get a wide body. But like I say, y'all know me, I like OG, so I like the slim body models for sure. But let's run in here and get these parts real quick. Up there's a little line. Just got that confirmation text back. He said this definitely is the part we need. So we're gonna get this for the build for today. And yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's it. He definitely just texted me back and said that's the part we need. So yeah. Got this payment, get everything right. As you can see, guys, we got the part, got the receipt. My man hooks it up every time. He's been hooking it up ever since I had the white V6. Yes, sir. Yeah. We're officially leaving the dealership right now. Finna hop back in the 300, and I'll probably get out a few pulls because I'm a little excited. I get excited after I get something done. But yeah, check this Jeep out though. This Jeep is sick, dude. This Jeep is hard. This is somebody's Jeep though. It's here for service, but it's hard. That green Jeep. I'm thinking about knocking off me a Jeep, bro, or one of these Ram things right here. I want to get a Durango or a Trackhawk, but my girl do not like the Jeep, bro. Like, do not like the Jeep. But anyway, so whatever. Y'all see, we at the dealership. A lot of Mopar action going on. 300 still sitting over here running. I'm not turning it off because I gotta put this crank sensor in. I don't feel like double cranking my car and working it right now, so yeah. But give y'all some more shots of the 300 right now. There it is. There she is. That 300. Come on, man. Check her out, man. All right. Yeah, y'all ain't see that, huh? Yeah. Now that we got the part, we're gonna head out. We're gonna always buckle up first. Make sure y'all buckle up, bro. Safety. Safety is key. Buckle up and make sure y'all put God first. I gotta tell y'all every video, make sure y'all put God first. But yeah, definitely, we finna head out right now. Probably give y'all a few pulls in the 300 because we're finna hit the freeway. Before we get out of here though, let me switch it. SRT, put it to track for y'all. That track mode on. Got that track mode on. Track mode. Give y'all a few pulls in the 300. Ooh, it sounds different when you put it in track. See, this is not like the SRT. See how I was telling y'all how I can switch the modes and ride different mode and shit like that? You can't do that in the bunny right now. You can't do that in the bunny like you can do that in here. You know what I'm saying? But I like original, so don't sleep on it. Only thing I really hate about this track mode is how it gives you no freaking traction. It turns your traction off. But whatever, dude. You can make it custom if you really want to. You can edit it. I'm tripping. Let me get out here. They be driving crazy out here in Houston, man. Got a little pool. It ain't loud as the bunny, man. I ain't got pipes on here. It's all stock pipes, but it sounds good. Y'all probably don't hear nothing but wind. Y'all ain't getting no pipes. But it sounds good though. Come on, man, get out the way. Traffic. But yeah, man, there's a lot of traffic, bro. There's a bunch of traffic. I'm gonna hit at y'all when we get up on a looser street or when I get to the next stop. All right, guys, we just pulled up to the shop, drop off the 300. Let's see if I even gonna drop it off today or maybe tonight after work. See where he wants me to park it at. That boy got that shit out here every time. All right, YouTube, we just got to the shop with that boy Swervo. Couldn't drop off the 300 so I can see. Yeah, give y'all some more views. That boy Big Scatty out here. Bunch of shit getting built in the shop. Let's see what's going on here. Are you high already, Mark? Maybe.
Travis don't feel good.
That's what he told me.
Yeah. Sure?
Let me get the shit out the car and then the parts in the front seat. All right, YouTube, we just officially dropped off the 300 up here at the shop. And I'm done vlogging for right now. We'll get back to y'all when we pick up the 300. I'm really about to get ready to go to work so I can make some money and buy some more mods for you guys for both cars. But yeah, as you see, 300 out here looking beautiful, doing this thing. Like I said, we'll get back at you. All right, YouTube, we back in the parts department at Dodge. Had to come get a fuel pump for the 300. Miss Alice hooked it up today. They had me drive way an hour across town just to get this fuel pump, but whatever. What's up, YouTube? We're back. Yeah, it's another day. We just picked the 300 up and everything's working perfectly fine on there. It wasn't even the crankshaft. We had just got a fuel pump changed out and I had to redo the fuel pump. One thing I learned about these cars, bro, when you do a lot of shit, you gotta get the dealership part. The aftermarket parts be ass. I literally bought 2 aftermarket fuel pumps. Both of them had something wrong.
fuel sensor level, broke, all that. I took it back, warranty, got another new one from AutoZone. Got another new one from AutoZone. Same thing happened again. Boom, I go to the dealership, fuel pump, one time, crank up, and we put the new crank sensor. So she cranks and starts every time now. Let's check her out on the inside. Got her crunk already for y'all. I'm gonna turn her off. Let y'all witness. I'm gonna turn it right back on. Perfectly, every time. On the way out today, I'm gonna give y'all a few pulls in the 300. But for right now, let me go park it, clean it up, do my thing. I'll be back. What's up, YouTube? We're officially on the way home now in the 300. And it's riding smooth, cranking smooth. Everything is going right since we last talked about getting the part, like I said. But yeah, like I told y'all, I'll give y'all a couple of pulls. It really is a little traffic right now. I want to give y'all a pull, but I'll be right back when I get to a clear street. All right, YouTube, here we are. We on the straightaway. Put that bitch in track for y'all. Let y'all see it. What you do is you hit the gas a little bit, let the RPMs drop back down, and then floor it. Oh, that bitch pulling. Oh, that bitch pulling. That bitch pulls. Hey, this 8-speed is way different than my 5-speed, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And I love my 5-speed. My 5-speed pulls. But this motherfucking 8-speed pull, bro. Drop the window. Maybe y'all can hear a little bit. Let the RPMs rev up a little bit. Let the RPMs rev up. Slow it down. And gas it. Big 6-4. Hey, man. Big 300 game, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. I just wanted to give y'all a few pulls, bro, in the 300. Let y'all know it is working properly fine. Everything's going good, going right with the 300. And like I said, man, make sure y'all run up them likes, them comments, and make sure y'all subscribe. Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all a minute to do it. Alright, cool. Like I said,